I'm dreading this already. Hey you guys, so for today's video, I am going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, which I am extremely anxious about because my brows alone take me 5 minutes to do. So we are going to see how this turns out. I'm gonna try to do as much full glam as I can possibly do, and I'm gonna see how much time I have left and just anything that I can go for with the short amount of time that I have. All right, I have 5 minutes locked on here right now. Okay, shake out the nerves, shake off the nerves. I can do this, I can do this. I regret this already. Okay, I can do this, I can do this. And go. All right, I'm gonna start with a primer. My skin's been extremely dry, so I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. I'll also let you guys know how many minutes I got left. Wet n Wild concealer, my favorite concealer. Conceal, don't feel. Put on a show. Brushes. Actually, I'm also gonna add Tape Shape over top a little bit because I'm doing glam here. A little bit of a brighter under eye. Little bit of a fair advantage here. I don't have to put on foundation, so that's good. I swear to God, if doing this takes me over a minute. Yep, it's taken me over a minute. What the? Just wanna make everything a little bit brighter. Okay. Shade and Light palette. Dip into the first light shade. Gonna set that concealer. Holy shit, holy shit. Now I'm gonna bronze. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh my God! All right, that's done. Blush. Japonesque O2 blush. It's my favorite blush. Hold on the nose. Brows. Chocolate dip brow. I'm just gonna try to do as much as possible. God, brows alone take me 5 minutes, so this is super. All right, I think that's all I can do for now. I almost have just a minute left. Lips. Wait, all right, eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab this brown shadow and just swipe this across my lid. Oh my God! Mascara. lip. Oh my god, bottom lashes. Time's up. Holy crap. Whew, that was a trip. It's over. All right, I feel like my lips could look a little better, but for doing it as quick as I did, it's not too bad. My brows could definitely use some work, for sure. As far as face makeup goes, I feel like the face makeup actually looks pretty good. I'm not too disappointed with that. I didn't get to do highlight. I had to skip highlight, so I'm kind of bummed about that. At least I was able to do most of it. That was nuts. I don't recommend doing that. No, I'm only joking. That was honestly a lot of fun to do. It was super crazy to see how much I could do in like such a short amount of time like that, and I was really freaking out and trying to do it as quick as I possibly could. Anyway, I challenge any one of you guys to try this makeup challenge. It's super nuts. It's so crazy to me because when I watch other people do the video, I feel like they have so much time and I'm just like, oh, why are they freaking out? I mean, because I don't know, you don't realize how fast time is going when you do this challenge. It's nuts. I recommend any of you guys trying this challenge and seeing what you think. And honestly, it was a lot of fun for me to do. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. Holy shit.